students, this is Srinivas in front of you. Today we are going to discuss some solved examples. Already in previous classes we discussed about basics of trigonometry and the relationship between some trigonometric ratios, naming the sides of right angle triangle, and how to derive the trigonometric ratios in easiest word Osha Chota. According to that continuation extension part, we have to see some solved example. For basic and standard level questions, I should explain today class. Have a nice day. See, let us. For example, I have to take one question. If cos A equals to 5 by 13, example 1. If cos A equals to 5 by 13, then find all trigonometric ratios. Okay? Okay. And what is given? Keep in your mind, cos theta is given. What is you have to find? Every question have some key points are there. You picked from the some key points from the question. Your 50% of the answer is there in your hand. Okay. What are the important keywords are there? This is an important keyword. Cos A is given. To find trigonometric ratios. Total 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Here 1 is given. We should find remaining 5. Nothing but sine, cosec, sec, tan, cot. Total 5. Here. Draw the triangle. Draw the respective triangle. Draw a right angle triangle. ABC. Right angle at B. Where should I keep theta? This is important, dear viewers here. Yeah, yes, very good. In the question, A is given. In the place of theta, they have substituted A. That is the reason we have to take theta at A. At A only. Very good. At A only we have to take the theta because here A is given. For suppose if C is given, you can take C at C. Anything is not given, you can take at A or either A, either C or C. Either A or C, you can take it. But here particular they mention the variable, what it says A. That is the reason we have to keep the theta at A only. So let us come. Now, cos A is equals 5 by 13. As you know from our beautiful word Osa Chota, cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. From with respect to the question, perpendicular side of theta is called opposite side. Perpendicular side of 90 degree is called hypotenuse, and this is called adjacent side. Now AS value 5. You have to substitute here 5. H 13. You have to substitute here value 13. If we find all trigonometric ratios, means we should find BC value. Right, children. Let B, what is the adjacent side value? AD is equals to 5k. You can take let hypotenuse value AC equals to, you can take 13k. K is any positive integer. K is Z plus positive integer. Now, by the concept of, by using Baudhayana theorem or Pythagoras theorem, by using Baudhayana theorem or Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Already, as you know this formula very well, dear viewers. Yeah, here which is given, adjacent side is given, hypotenuse is given. We should find opposite side, right? By you have to find opposite side, then you have to go with by using the concept of Baudhayana theorem as well as Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem or Baudhayana theorem? Square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Means AC square is equals AB square plus BC square. Right, children? AC value is 13K whole square. Now AB value here 5 whole square. Now BC we have to find. Right? 5 13 square, 13 K whole square, nothing but 169 K square. 5 K whole square, nothing but 25 K square. Plus BC square. Okay. Now separate the like terms means 169 K square minus 25 K square. That is equals to BC square equals to 144 K square. Which means BC is equals to square root of 144 K square. That equals to plus or minus 12K. We should go with positive value only always. That is the reason BC equals to K. So BC equals to 12K. BC equals to 12K. Okay. Viewers, you have to observe. We should find BC with the using of Baudiana theorem or Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. By substituting these two values here, by doing some calculation, as you know very well, then we should get BC equals to 12K. Then we can, yes, this is called 12K, to find remaining trigonometric ratios. What are the remaining trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, yes, next cos theta, next tan theta. Yeah, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, its reciprocal is cosec theta. Cos theta already given, it is reciprocal secant theta. Tan theta is nothing but cot theta. Dear viewers, here instead of theta, you have to substitute A because the acute angle at A only. The acute angle at A only. So tan A, cos A, sec A, cosec A, sec A, and cot A. Cot A. We have to derive very easy manner. Chalo. Sin theta, nothing but sin theta is nothing but side is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse, nothing but opposite side 12K. Hypotenuse by 13K. This is 13K, this is 5K. So KK get cancelled, we are getting 12 by 13. Sin A reciprocal is cosec theta. Directly we have write 13 by 12. Sin A equals to 12 by 13. Sin theta reciprocal, you know, cosec theta. So 12 by 13 reciprocal is 13 by 12. Very easy. Next, cos theta is given here. Given value 5 by 10. Cos reciprocal is secant theta. 5 by 13 reciprocal is 13 by 5. Okay. Tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. From the diagram, opposite side is 12K. Adjacent side is 5K. KK get cancelled. 12 by 5. For tan A value 12 by 5. Tan reciprocal is cot A. Tan value is 12 by 5. Its reciprocal is 5 by 12. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 remaining trigonometric ratios are we find very easy manner with the help of trigonometric ratios. Dear viewers, some Pythagorean triplets or Gaussian triplets you have to keep in your mind, which are for example 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Next 20, 24, 25. Okay. 7, 24, 28, 25. Okay. Now these are the some trigonometric ratios are always keep in your mind. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25. For example, here 5 is given, 13 is given. Which value you should get in your answer? This is keep in your mind. 12 will come. Say 12 will be there. Our answer is going correct way. This is a way you have to remember some trigonometric figures in your fingerprints. In your fingerprints, some. Okay. This is a. I hope you have to understand this other process. Cos A is given. We found all the trigonometric ratios. Very easiest manner. Okay. This kind of questions will come under 2 marks. Okay. You have to practice such questions. You will get such knowledge. I will viewers. I hope you. This is understand for you. Now, like and subscribe my channel.